Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Wala pa akong tubig. Malawak po. Malawak.
But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Saan ko pa malaki yung ano dyan? Malaki yung pakalan dyan. Yan eh. Ayan. Malaki naman. Sa malam dito, ang lawak. Hanggang doon sa dilig. Ay, super laki sa malam dito. Lawak. Marami kasi dito. Ito yung gusto ko.
Let's go!
Ayan guys, dito na kami sa halo-halo. Nakita na namin.
Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die,
Ang bilis
And
lang
this is
pala.
my
Alam ko
game
na.
to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that
Finally
I've
guys,
ever
nandito na
done.
kami
But what's
sa
the point of
halo-halo.
living if you ain't having fun?
Halo-halo.
I guess I'll try this, try that,
Halo-halo
might miss,
format.
gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared,
Let's
where
go.
am I
Pasok
at?
tayo.
I gotta make it in this life. Whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing
Let's go,
things
ate.
right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the
Ito
end of
yung
the
ano
night.
natin.
And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe we can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Yan, dito tayo ako. Nakarating na kami dito. Ay, babuhay. Oh. Sige, sige. Sige, sige. Yan ang maganda. Dito tayo, ate. Saan mo gusto mo? Diyan? Sige. Kahit saan. Ayan, tingnan ko muna yung ano. Ayan, nakarating na kami sa wakas. Hindi ba? Hindi ba? Hindi ba? Nandito na yung mga dalawang pasaway na. Una na kami ha. Ayan. Bago kami luwa. Ay, ito. Ay, ito. Nahulog yata yung parang nahulog sa akin. Balik na tayo. Kasi ano, wala namang ano doon. Tapos mga pagkain ng super ang ano dito, ang lawak ng ay shit. Ban na. Gusto mo? Mas dito ah. Dito dito. Kamu positif na yan. Yan o. Four ringgit. Kasi madam dala siya. Bagay. Ayan, pauwi mo. Ayun guys, galing Permas City, Permas Jaya. Nandito na naman ako sa terminal. Abang-abang na naman ako ng papuntang Perling. So ito yung bus dito nakatambay. Yan. Yan, uwian na. Tapos na yung gala.